Okay, so I was having some problems with my car. What it was is the head unit. I got a Kenwood head unit in it, and all of a sudden I turn on my car and I got no stereo. So obviously I do what everybody else does. I go check the fuse. So the fuse is upside down there right now. I put it upside down so you 15. So basically I pulled the fuse out, I checked it, the fuse is fine, put the fuse back in, head unit didn't work. Basically came to it. Then what happens though, is what I found is if you just touch it, the head unit will turn off and on. I don't know if you can hear it. So what's happened is inside there, the connectors that hold the fuse have somehow come apart. And so it's causing me an intermittent problem. Is if it loses connection, stereo doesn't work. If you touch it, it reconnects and everything works. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull that fuse out. I'm gonna stick a little pin in there and basically try and bend those tabs back and see what I can do. So I'm gonna disconnect the power so I don't fry anything or anything like that, but then I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna move those tabs and I'll let you know how it turns out. But if you're ever having an intermittent problem with your stereo and your fuse is good, doesn't mean your fuse is connected, is what I'm learning. Okay, so I ended up moving the tab a little bit, but what I ended up having to do is I offset these a little bit. So you can see they're not perfectly straight up and down. I kind of bent them on a little bit of an angle. And when I put that in, now it stays a solid connection. So when I touch it, it doesn't flicker on and off. So when I hit the fuse, it doesn't flicker on and off no more. Okay, so hope that helps you out. You ever having intermittent problems with power outages on your head unit? That could be one of the reasons. Okay, hope it helps you out. Take care.